Thousands of people from Manipur visit the Namfalong market and Tamu market in Myanmar every day. Various edible products, which does not even have proper manufacturing date or expiry date on its packaging, are being brought in the state through cross-border trade. It is a matter of great concern as many of these items may be health hazardous. The state government have been taking up various steps to ensure safety of food. However, some of the laboratories for food safety have remained unfunctional. The same story goes for the Zonal Public Health Laboratory at the More PHC complex. Minister of Health and Family Welfare L. Kumar inaugurated the health laboratory on December 12 last year. It's been more than 3 months since it was inaugurated. However, the office building has remained locked ever since it was inaugurated. Tom TV News, in an exclusive inspection visit to More, found the office building locked and there was no sign of office setup. Besides, not a single machine was found installed in the office building.
The Zonal Public Health Laboratory here in More has remained non-functional after the inauguration by Minister L. Kumar in the month of December previous year. Now the question is, the Food Safety Department, which has been making efforts in trying to stop food adulteration and things that does not have expiry date on its packaging, which comes from Myanmar and other countries through More. So it needs to be taken care of. However, the machines which have been brought for installation in this office has remained uninstalled so far. Now we can see over here, the office has remained closed after its inauguration in the month of December. And over here, if you can see through the window, right here, you can see that there is a machine. However, it seems like it has never been opened since it's been brought. And the next room of this office, we don't see any machinery, any documents, any paperwork in this office, which means that it has never been started, let alone functioning properly. It has never been started. So many have asked this question, who is responsible and who is going to take care of this? Jayjit with camera person Bishojit, Times of Manipur, More.